Well, we've now got Jobin Joseph John from our Level 3 support team in the HQ office in Dublin. Jobin's going to talk us through concepts of analysis within CRM, the sort of data that you need to pull it all together and how to make it work in any business.
That's great, and it's really good to see yet another member of the internal Sage CRM team in Dublin coming up to contribute to these sessions. Over to you, Jobin.
This is Jobin Joseph John. I'm working as L3 support engineer at Sage. We are going to look at what is CRM analysis, how CRM analytics helps business, how to develop CRM analytics dashboard, and how Sage CRM helps businesses with insights. Every software program your business uses is likely filled to the brim with data, right, and ready to be analyzed to unleash actionable insights. But many companies are still stumped with how to get these customer behavior insights. Insights gathered from customer data is the key that unlocks the door to performing better as a business. When it comes to finding ways to improve your selling process and customer relationships, your CRM software will provide all the information you need. The best way to access CRM data is usually via your CRM reports. Reports and dashboards allow you to see all the relevant customer and sales data in easy to digest tables and charts, which you can then use for CRM analysis. We have gathered some helpful nuggets to show you exactly how to get the most value from CRM data analysis. Now, what is CRM analysis? CRM Analytics, also known as Customer Analytics, refer to the process of interpreting the data within your CRM software to uncover valuable insights that will impact business decisions. It helps to improve your sales process, customer relationships, and marketing campaigns. It comes down to analyzing customer analytics and customer behavior to generate leads, close the deal, and retain customers. The overall purpose is to better understand your customer so you can sell to them as effectively as possible. The sheer amount of data held within your CRM software is a goldmine. While some of it might seem mundane, while others can be used to nurture the mutually beneficial relationship between you and your customer. Across a business, CRM analysis requires the collection and evaluation of several types of data, new opportunities and activities surrounding them, lead sources and the performance of each source, purchase data including date, frequency, amount, purchasing patterns, etc. Using these combined metrics, companies can assess profitability, conversion rates, sales cycle, sales pipeline, and more. You can also conduct lead management, track goals, and participate in sales forecasting to help improve your sales funnel process. Let's dig a little deeper into how a CRM strategy for analytics can add value to your business. While there are specific functions a CRM should provide in order to work well, another side of its functionality is providing data and analytics. Business analytics is the foundation for successfully converting leads into customers and customers into brand advocates. Here are a couple of examples as to how CRM analytics can make that happen for your business. Shows clear customer journey. When buying impulsively, the entire journey happens almost instantly. But when it comes to large purchase decisions, the customer's journey will be significantly longer, include various decision makers, and require multiple conversion points. When dealing with a process that can take months, it is important to have software in place that can give sales and marketing team members the ability to manage the customer's journey all the way to close. The right CRM software We'll look at the areas of the customer journey where business signals occur and track key metrics that a business needs to understand satisfaction rate. These data points are then analyzed to reveal methods that businesses can implement to improve their process for selling and nurturing customer relationships. Indicates a change in lead status. As pointed out earlier, there are key indicators in the process of a buyer's journey that indicate a desire to move from disinterest to purchasing your product or service. This transition is mirrored in any type of customer transaction. Your CRM provides easy access to analytics dashboards and reporting features that showcase these indicators and how they impact the business and forecasting. When a business is considering purchasing a solution, the seller's CRM should track key items like website visits, touch points, social media engagements, if forms are filled out, if webinars or other events were attended, and more. On their own, these items might not mean anything, but the right analytics will show trends amongst certain customers based on frequency or significance of their engagement. Offers insight into customer retention and churn strategies. CRM Analytics can also provide insight into customer satisfaction by picking up both positive and negative signals based on their actions. CRM track many metrics inside the customer journey, including wins and losses. In noticing specific patterns, you are powered with the intel to enhance your customer loyalty and retention. Tracking things like open cases, inbound and outbound calls, and conversation subject matter can all reveal if a certain customer is getting their money's worth or running into issue after issue. This helps you identify customer interaction and sale trends that can unlock the secret into higher retention and less churn, possibly even increasing customer value. Enables predictive modeling. Another way CRM Analytics can help your business is through predictive modeling, which is the process of predicting outcome using data. By analyzing custom data, business can accurately determine the likelihood of success or failure of a future endeavor. Essentially, it offers a glimpse into the future should a certain action be taken, allowing business to mitigate the associated risks. Segments your customer. A CRM gives you the power to segment your customers into meaningful segments. That is, it can help your business divide customers into different groups. This is important because segmentation is critical for scaling your business, and it is the cornerstone to better personalization. When you segment based on CRM analytics, you're segmenting based on actual behavior, not just preconceived ideas of how people might behave. Using CRM analytics to group customers together based on traits and actions like the customer's role, industry, purchasing history, and support request can help you market your product and sell to them better. Provides insight for marketing strategies. Marketing requires data and testing. Without it, marketing campaigns can feel a lot like trying to chop vegetables without using your hands. CRM Analytics tool give you marketing team accurate, usable insights into customers' experience and satisfaction and your sales pipeline. How to develop a CRM Analytics dashboard. Your CRM Analytics dashboard is the go-to place for information for customer-facing departments. It is crucial to ensure that it is displaying key data points that will guide those departments as they navigate customer relationships. The dashboard that you use to deliver are incredibly important. Customer information has a large impact on sales and service process, so the data contained in the dashboard needs to be properly interpreted by everyone involved. A good analytics dashboard or reports does the following. Provides information regarding individual leads according to the CRM user. shows actual sales figures, forecast, and comparisons of previous year, highlights recent activities from assigned leads as well as the most or least active lead assigned to the user, identifies next steps based on customer actions. There are many different types of CRM report, all offering insights into a different area of business activities. Most CRM includes out-of-the-box reporting and allows users to build customized reports. Dashboards are the standard quick view window into a report and designed to distill the key information in a simple format, which help tracks key sales metrics, especially in enterprise sales, where the sales cycles can be lengthy. Reports should help the business understand how the sales team is performing and provide individual reps with direction on key activities. Profitability reports. By accessing the profitability of current customers, a business can start to make tactical decisions on where to focus account-based marketing efforts. Perhaps a specific business is worth putting more effort into, or there is a particular type of client that is highly profitable. Whatever the findings, a business has the information to inform strategic decisions. Sales forecast reports. For all stakeholders, sales forecasts are perhaps the most important and hardest reports to produce. Sales forecast allows a business to plan effectively and deploy resources into the right area. If a business is bullish on sales and can see that there will be excess capital in the next 3 months, then key capital investment can be made early. But if the forecast is wrong, then they are spending money they don't have. In short, it is crucial that reports are as accurate as possible. Goal progress reports. These reports can encompass a wide range of activities from sales and marketing to customer support. The report looks at a key metrics and how the business is performing against that metrics. Now let us see how Sage CRM helps business with insights. Sage CRM offers business owners and managers dedicated tools to gain a complete view of how their sales teams are performing against target. Visual reports, charts, and dashboards enable at a glance assessment and informed decision making. Sage CRM helps your business accelerate sales performance and drive sales productivity. They work by providing managers in your business with comprehensive sales-oriented data and insight. Built-in alerts, sales workflows, dashboards, sales performance chart, and KPIs for more actionable decision making. To conclude, implementing a CRM into your sales strategy is a step in the right direction. However, starting to analyze the data within it using CRM Analytics turns that step into a giant leap. Using the associated data-driven techniques to gain an understanding of your customer and unlocks insight into how to sell to them better is beneficial for both parties. Your customer feels valued and you retain their business. It's a win-win. So do not let your customer data just sit there. Instead, use it to gain valuable business insights.
I really like those conclusions. Get a better understanding of your data and don't just let it sit there, Jeff.
Thanks to Jobin. And Jobin's one of our level 3 support team. He's managed to really identify some very useful points of reflection about how to make the most of your investment in any CRM installation.